Hello and welcome to Working with Effects. In this episode, we'll be learning about the outer glow effect. And what outer glow it does is that it gives it a shine, a different color, a blurry shine at the edges. So it visually looks as though your object or your text was glowing. So let's get right into it. I have a star. I have a star. I love stars. I have a star. I add a rectangle. Today let's just do two, and then let's give it a text also. Our text is glow. Sorry if you couldn't see that. Let me make that larger. So our text is glow. I'm going to make my star red, and my rectangle should be green. Okay, so I have this now. So selecting on any of them, click on Effect, Stylize, and then Outer Glow. Before that, let me make this a bit bigger so it's much more visible. So Effect, Stylize, and Outer Glow. So you can see there are four options. That's mode, opacity, and then blur. Usually just leave this as screen. You could try and see how the rest look like, but I found out that the differences are not so much, and screen works for me, so I just leave that there. The color here you select should most often be this similar to the color inside, maybe a lighter version of the color inside. You could go for black just to see how it looks like, but I realized when I use a darker color it looks more like a drop shadow than a glow effect. So for that glow effect, you give a color that is closer to what you are working with, and it looks looks like it glows. Blur is how dark, let me say how sharp the edges of your glow is. So the lower you go, the more prominent the edges look. The higher you go, you see it looks like it's bleeding all over the place. So yes, it depends on the kind of glow you want to give it. Sometimes you can give a lower glow and put another shape on it and add another glow for it to widen, or you can just increase the blur. If that sounded confusing, don't bother, just increase the blur. And okay, so we have that. Let's move over to the right. We can do the same for a rectangle here, outer glow. Oops, sorry, we need to select on this first. Effects, outer glow. All right, so you see instantly this color doesn't look quite right on this, so I'm going to change this up to a lighter green. Yes, beautiful glow effect, really nice glow effect. Okay, and then my text. Okay, so glow effect also works on text. Selecting on the text, I can have my effect, stylize, outer glow. Yeah, it is nice. It looks like one of those shine in the dark writings. Okay, you can change the color of your text to something that is okay, green. Yeah, so that's your text for you. So that's about it for outer glow. It's not so difficult. Just apply, move it around, see how it looks for you. When you are fine, it's okay, and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed this episode as well. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer. See you in the next video. Thank you.